Oh, geez, Rick. That's tough. Well, here we are. Day of. We're heading back east to grab the Rabbit. My brother's driving. We got the trailer hooked up, but you know, minor problem here. Trailer ground was a little short to reach all the way to his truck, so a little last minute wiring. It's nice to have the middle seat because you can fit 2 people and a little dog. And we got the camera inception. We stopped at Popeyes for a quick bite to eat. Fuel economy has continued to decline, but spirits are still high. We're on L Street. We are literally on the street of the letter L in Omaha, Nebraska. And it's a good thing we don't live here. Okay, I don't know what's going on, mate. It's like buttery cocks free. Alright, well, it's day 2 of traveling. We're just about to leave Iowa. Couldn't help but stop at the world's largest truck stop. Trailer's still on. She's going good, so. Alright, well, that is a wrap, folks. We made it. I feel like I skipped filming basically all the important parts of our journey. How you feel? Beat. Yeah. But here we are. Look at this. Yeah. She's in. We made it. That's a wrap.